Welcome. In this video, we'll be learning how to get shortcut in computer keyboard. We'll be considering between key 1 and equal key buttons. To get the exclamation sign, press the shift key and 1 key together. To get the @ symbol, press shift key and 2 key together. To get the number sign, press shift key and 3 key together. To get the dollar sign, press shift key and 4 key together. To get the percentage sign, press shift key and 5 key together. To get circumflex sign, press shift key and 6 key together. To get the ampersand, press shift key and 7 key together. To get asterisk, press shift key and 8 key together. To open bracket, press shift key and 9 key together. To close bracket, press shift key and the 0 key together. Also, to get underscore sign, press shift key and the hyphen key together. To get the plus sign, press shift key and the equal key together. Now, if you like this video, you can click the subscribe button, share, and comment. Thank you.